Our main focus today is when the Federal Reserve officials meet for the third policy meeting of 2024. Let's take a look at what the week has in store for us. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. The highlight of this economic week likely will come on Wednesday at the conclusion of the Federal Open Market Committee two-day policy meeting. The overwhelming expectation is that the committee will leave rates untouched at 5.25% to 5.5%, just as they have at each of the previous 5 policy meetings. Fed observers will be paying close attention on Wednesday to see if they can glean anything from the chairman's remarks that might clarify where monetary policy goes from here. It's jobs week once again in the economy, with the release of 3 high-profile updates on the health of the labor market. On Wednesday, the government will release the March JOLTS report, Job Openings and Labor Turnover Survey. The consensus expectation of economists is that there were 8.68 million job openings as of the last day of March, roughly 76,000 fewer than the number of job openings in February. Job openings have remained at roughly the same level since the end of last year, hanging around the 8.5 million to 9 million mark, although down by about 25% from the record openings of 2 years ago. The number of job openings still remains high by historical standards. Also on Wednesday, payroll processor ADP will release its National Employment Report for April. The report, a measure of employment strength in the private sector, is expected to show that 170,000 jobs were added this month after a gain of 184,000 jobs in March. And then, as usual, rounding out Jobs Week will be the release of the government's non-farm payrolls report for April. Economists expect the Labor Department to say that 210,000 jobs were added this month, 93,000 fewer than the number added last month. They also project the unemployment rate in April stood fast at 3.8%. The unemployment rate has remained below 4% for more than 2 years now. Also this week, the Conference Board will check in with its Consumer Confidence Index for April. Economists think the index slipped this month from 104.7 in March to 104 even. If that projection holds, it will be the lowest measure of consumer confidence since November. A component measure of the overall index, the Expectations Index, fell to 73.8 in March. Expectations Index readings below 80 often signal recession is on the way, although the board recently stepped back from its own long-standing recession forecast. Finally, we'll hear from the Institute for Supply Management on Wednesday when it reveals its Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index for April. You may recall the index made headlines in March when it landed above 50 and in expansion territory for the first time in 17 months. Economists expect the index to stay above 50 this month, projecting it will come in at 50.1, down from March's 50.3, but still this side of expansion. That's it for now. Make sure to join us again on Saturday to find out what actually happened. This is Devlin Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, signing out.